Guys, I want to show you these On Cloud 6 shoes. So these are great because this is the evergreen color. This is great for if you're walking a lot all day. They had this cool design where it kind of lifts you off the ground with these little open areas that are rubber on the bottom. So you got the rubber sole. This is very comfortable. This is actually a size 13. These are actually slide-on shoes. So you can actually slide these on. I've got them pre-tied here. Some people do not like the little laces here like this, but it comes with regular laces as well. This is how I tie them, and you can just keep them like this to have them as slip-on shoes. But this is the evergreen black color. I would recommend this, guys. Very soft, and the sole is actually pretty nice as well. I actually buy soles for my shoes just because I'm walking around a ton, many steps a day, but I would recommend this shoe, and go ahead and check this out. Again, this is the On Cloud 6. They have different versions, and this is going to be reflective as well.